Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PSN account and enabling two-step verification so streams stay secure. Once signed in, make sure your network is stable, wired Ethernet is best, or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Next, go to Settings, Users and Accounts, then link your account to connect Twitch or YouTube. This lets the console broadcast directly. After linking, open the game and press the Create button to begin the broadcast setup without delays. Once done linking, you configure quality and audio so viewers get a clean experience. Choose resolution and bitrate based on your upload. 720p at 30 FPS uses less bandwidth, while 1080p at 60 FPS needs higher upload but looks sharper. Then select microphone and party chat levels. Make sure your voice is louder than game audio if you're commentating. If you use a capture card, disable HDCP in system, but keep it on for console-only streaming. Finally, save settings and preview before going live. You're ready to go live. Press Create, pick Broadcast, choose the linked platform, and write a clear title and tags that describe the content. Start the stream and keep an eye on the Ps5 overlay and your platform's dashboard for dropped frames, bitrate, or encoder warnings so you can react quickly. If viewers report lag or you see frequent frame drops, reduce bitrate or resolution, switch to wired Ethernet, and close background uploads. One key tip: restart the console and router if persistent network errors continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.